to work with the ERA foundation, you would first need to apply a light moisturizer of your choice. This product works really well with most moisturizers.
Let's talk about why I'm so proud to represent ERA Beauty USA. As a professional makeup artist, I've worked with countless products, but this line truly stands apart. ERA Beauty's Airbrush Foundation is water-based, lightweight, and infused with skin-loving botanicals like aloe, chamomile, and green tea, ingredients that soothe, nourish, and protect the skin while you wear it.
It has a cool feeling when applied. I like to bounce it versus swiping it onto the face. This will create a more natural-like skin finish. It has a satin finish to it. It's talc-free, paraben-free, oil-free. It has vitamins and botanicals infused into the product. And I love this product because it's buildable. It could be full coverage, or you can just do one layer. What's amazing about this product is that you can apply it over foundation or under foundation, and it gives the skin a beautiful hydrated look. It's that satin finish that we all love. What's even more spectacular about this product is that it is transfer proof and waterproof. For me specifically, just to cut on time, I like to tilt the face up when working on the neck and spraying it directly onto the neck, and then bouncing the sponge to create the coverage and bringing it down to the décolleté. This product is also amazing because it can cover tattoos, can cover veins, any red broken capillaries, melasma, and it gives you that lightweight finish. A little bit of the color correction. I'll go in and apply some regular concealer as well, just for some added coverage. So when applying this product with a brush, I do recommend a foundation brush or a stippling brush. And you again would bounce this product on with the brush versus swiping it. ERA foundation is also amazing to use as a concealer. So specifically if you are concerned about sweating or tearing up potentially if you're a lovely bride, this will definitely hold up under some heavy-duty weather conditions and those nasty tears that we are so trying to not have. Now I'm going to use ERA foundation to apply a little bit of concealer over existing concealer so that you can see how it works well with other products. It's going to create a sweat-proof, tear-proof application. This product is amazing if you're using it on a sponge or a powder puff. What I love about the ERA foundation, the versatility that it has, whether you're using it as a foundation, a concealer, and also as something that you would contour with to create those shadows and dimensions in the face. The versatility is absolutely amazing. Even more incredible is the fact that it's transfer proof and waterproof, and it has a skin-like finish to it. Next, I'm going to use ERA foundation to contour her skin. What I love about this foundation line is it not only has no white in shades R9 and R10, but it could also be used to contour depending on your skin tone. I'm going to start with contouring the cheekbones, bringing it along the edges of the face and forehead. I'm applying the shade R8 to create a contoured effect and to bring warmth into her skin. I'm going to use R8 to contour her eyes. If you're looking to add a little bit of warmth and a good eyeshadow base, this is also a great product. It has such versatility. The botanicals and vitamins in ERA Aerobrush Foundation not only create a very glowing, healthy skin-like appearance, but it's great for your face.
ERA Beauty also has other products in the lineup. We have Airbrush Blush, Shimmer, and Bronzer, which are all available online or at your nearest retailer near you.
I'm going to be using a little bit of pink topaz over the spiced color because I like the versatility and the color that mixes together. Creates a little bit of a transition underneath it.
Whether you're a bride, a beauty lover, or a pro artist, this formula makes the skin look naturally radiant, not masked. You can layer it, contour with it, or even use it on the body for that seamless, airbrushed glow. It's my secret weapon, truly, for healthy, beautiful skin that lasts all day.
All right, next I'm going to be applying some shimmer to her décolleté and the tops of her cheekbones, just to give a little bit more luminosity and glow in her face. I'm going to apply it on a brush for her face, and I'm going to bounce on the upper cheekbones, down the bridge of her nose, and above the Cupid's bow. The product still has a little bit of a damp finish to it, so it's important to work with it before it dries fully and just to blend all of the edges that need blending. What I really like to do is work on a mixing plate, just because if I do need to come back and to dip into other colors, it's a little easier for me. You can put it on the back of your hand, or you can spray it directly on a brush or a sponge. I'm just going back over just to give a little bit more blush to mix well with the shimmer. I'm all about having a little bit of blush on the skin. I think it's so young and youthful. Okay. I'm going to take a little bit of the shimmer and I'm going to spray it directly onto her chest. And this will give a nice little luminance and glow, especially if it's her wedding day or if you're wearing a nice evening gown. So I've used everything in regards to using the airbrush blush, shimmer, bronzers, contour, and or concealer with the airbrush foundation. So the next thing I'm going to do is powder her off of camera and then finish her eyes, and then I'll show you the finished look.